Hey, this is Raven. Due to the high winds that are going on, because as you can see what I'm seeing, it's it's way too windy for me to keep even pages open long enough for me to be able to see stuff. So I'm going to have to postpone any single actual guitar stuff for a while until the winds are not as hectic as they are now. I tried several times to have something, but I just couldn't get it done. So sorry again. Another week of probably nothing, but I'll try my best later on. Alright, peace out, dudes. This is Rave. Bye.